You can make this very interesting and simple device at home, a hydraulic jack. Jacks are used to lift very heavy loads with little human effort. They display a concept of mechanical advantage, where small forces applied for larger time and distance can be used to lift loads with very heavy weight for small distance. To make this, you need some ice cream sticks, copper wire, needles, syringes, cardboard piece, a flexi tube. First take the syringe and insert the flexi tube in it. Now put some colored water. We are using colored water so that we can see the hydraulics. Insert the second syringe at the other end of the flexi tube. Push and pull the plunger to test this part. Now take the ice cream sticks and make 3 holes at 2 corners and in the middle using the needle. Do this in all 8 sticks. Now take the copper wire and weave it in the middle of the 2 sticks. You can make a loop at the end to bind the sticks together. Do this for all 6 sticks to make a fork or a lazy tongue or a snake-like structure. See, this is the snake-like structure with 6 ice cream sticks. Now you take the remaining 2 sticks and attach at the top of the structure by making a vertical slit in both of these ice cream sticks. This is required for these ice cream sticks to move. And your jack is almost ready. You have to attach the syringe at the bottom of the ice cream stack. Now push the plunger to see the jack move. Pull it to get the jack back. Attach some glue at the top of the jack and fix a cardboard. This is the base on which you can put the load. You can see the concept here that we are pushing the plunger for small distance and we are lifting the load for a large distance. Do you see something interesting here? Actually, this is displaying the concept of mechanical advantage, but inversely. To convert it into a real jack, where we push the jack for a small distance and lift higher loads, we just have to invert the assembly. In this case, you can see that we are pushing the whole ice cream structure for a larger distance to lift the load for a small distance. A very interesting hydraulic device that children can play with.